Design thinking at Pega, a human-centered approach to innovation. Pega is a strong advocate of design thinking and has integrated it deeply into its platform and methodology. This human-centered approach allows for the creation of solutions that are not only technologically feasible but also desirable for users and viable for the business. How Pega leverages design thinking. Pega Express. This methodology is built on design thinking principles. It focuses on understanding customer needs, rapidly prototyping solutions, and iterating based on feedback. Microjourneys. These are small, focused customer experiences that are designed to deliver specific outcomes. By breaking down larger customer journeys into microjourneys, Pega enables teams to focus on specific pain points and create tailored solutions. Low-code platform. Pega's platform empowers both business and IT teams to collaborate and rapidly build solutions, accelerating the design thinking process. The design thinking process at Pega. Pega follows the classic design thinking phases. Empathize. Understanding the customer's needs, desires, and pain points through research and observation. Define. Clearly articulating the problem to be solved based on the insights gathered during the empathize phase. Ideate. Generating a wide range of creative ideas and solutions to address the problem. Prototype. Creating tangible representations of the ideas to test and refine them. Test. Gathering feedback from users to validate the prototype and make necessary improvements. Benefits of design thinking at Pega. Improved customer experience. By deeply understanding customer needs, Pega can create solutions that truly delight users. Increased innovation. Design thinking fosters a culture of creativity and experimentation, leading to innovative solutions. Faster time to market. The iterative nature of design thinking allows for rapid development and deployment of solutions. Reduced risk of failure. By testing and refining ideas early on, Pega can minimize the chances of launching unsuccessful products or services.
If you find this video inspiring, do not forget, like, share, and subscribe AIXPro.in videos.